ก็ปิดพ่อไปทำไม
นี่มันจะปิดเขาดูด้วย
Hello?
Hello
Okay. Hi, Nita. Nice to see you again. How are you? Happy that Nita is happy. Okay, Nita, are you ready?
Yeah
Yes, I
Yeah.
am ready.
Yeah I am ready
Very good. Okay, Nita, listen to me and look at teacher, okay?
Okay
Okay, let's go. Okay, Nita, let's have a review. I want you to guess and say what is missing. Okay, first, let's read. Okay, look at the first picture. What is that?
Crayon
Very good. Okay, next. Mm,
car
okay, follow teacher. You say learn. Okay,
Loan
say it again. Learn. La, la. Okay, la, la. Learn.
Loan
Okay, next picture. Nita, what is that? Number. Very good. Next. Next. Pencil. Very good. Next.
Letter
Okay. Last one, Nita.
Paper
Paper. Very good. Okay, now, Nita, I want you to guess and say what is missing, okay?
Okay
Okay, let's start. Okay, Nita, close your eyes. Close your eyes and whoop, look.
Oh no
What is missing? Hmm? What is missing?
Letter
Letters. Very good.
Letter
Okay, look. Okay, next. Nita, close your eyes.
I close my eyes Pencil
Pencil. Very
I
good.
like it
Okay. Next. Whoop. What is missing? Number. Very good. Okay.
I see my little eye.
Okay, next, Nita. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And whoop. What is missing? What do you think is missing? What is that word? La, la, la.
Look.
Learn. Very good.
I see my little
Okay, go.
eye.
Close your eyes.
I close my eye, little ear.
Okay, what is missing?
Paper.
Paper. Very good. Last one.
I see the
Last one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Last one. Close, close. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And look.
Crayon.
Crayon. Very good. Good job.
I see my little eye.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good job, Nita. For that, teacher wants to give you. Look. What is this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Do you like ice cream, Nita?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Okay, now.
This is my puppy.
Mm-hmm. Puppy. Okay, next,
Do you have
Nita.
toy?
Look at the picture, Nita. What can you see in the picture?
I see my little eye, Timmy and his daddy.
Okay, say it again. I can see
I can see Timmy and his daddy and the
Timmy,
clock.
Dad, and a clock. Very good. Okay, good job. Now, Nita, I want you to read the title. Go. Please read the title, Nita.
What now?
What?
What time it is?
Very good. Okay, say it again. What time is it?
What time it is?
Again, what time
What times
is it?
What times
Is
it?
it?
What
Say it
time
again.
is
What?
it?
Very good. Okay, good job, Nita. Our lesson for today is about what time is it?
9 o'clock.
Okay, next. Okay, Nita, I want you to look and guess. Again, look and guess. Guess what is inside the box. Okay.
I think it.
What do you think is inside the box?
I
Okay, let's see.
think
And
C.
last one.
Letter.
Hmm?
What's that?
What do you think is inside the box?
A clock.
Okay, it's a clock. Let's see. Very good. Good job. Okay.
How come I copy? I think balloon.
Balloons. Okay, next, Nita. Word fun. Fun words. Okay, now, Nita, words. Okay, what is that word?
Time.
Say it again.
Time.
Time. One more time. Time. Okay. Please read the sentence, Nita.
Time.
Okay, please read the sentence.
What time you are
It's-
so sleepy?
It's
I think sleepy.
I want you to read the sentence, Nita. It's time.
It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep in the bed.
Okay, please read. Follow teacher. It's time
It's time to
to
sleep.
go to bed.
It's time to
go?
go to bed.
Very good. Okay. One more time. Please read again, Nita. It's time. It's time to go
It's time.
to bed.
It's time to go bed.
Again, it's time.
It's time to go bed.
To go.
It's time to go to bed.
Very good. It's time to go to bed. Okay, good job. Next, Nita. What is that word? O'clock.
The clock.
Say it again. O'clock. One more
O'clock.
Okay, one more time, Nita. O'clock. Very good. Okay, go. Please read the sentence, Nita.
What time is it o'clock?
Okay, let's read. Follow teacher. It's. Look at the picture.
Is
What time is it? It's
7 o'clock.
Very good. Okay, one more time. Please read again. Go, Nita.
It's 7 o'clock.
Very good. It's 7 o'clock. Okay, good job, Nita, for that. Teacher wants to give you, look,
Banana.
banana. Do you like banana?
Banana. Chicken. Banana.
Chicken.
Banana. Chicken. Banana.
Okay, do you like banana? Yes. Yes, I
My
do.
mommy like banana.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, very good. Next, Nita. What is that word? Evening.
Evening.
Okay, very good. Say it again.
Evening.
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 One more time. Evening. Okay, now, Nita, please read the sentence. Go.
Evening.
It's
It is. It's
Okay.
7 o'clock.
it's 7 o'clock in the.
Evening.
Very good. Okay, one more time. One more time. Please
7
read again.
o'clock
It's-
evening.
Okay, say it again. It's
7 o'clock evening.
okay. Very good. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay.
Okay. It's
Good
7.
job. One more
It's
time.
7
One more
o'clock
time,
in the
Nita. Please read again. You say evening. Evening.
evening.
Very good. Okay, good job.
Okay.
Next, Nita. It's game time. Game time. Game time. Game time. Game time. Okay, Nita, let's play a game. I want you to listen and repeat. Okay?
But I want talk.
Listen and repeat. Repeat faster, okay? So that the fish will not be harmed by the shark. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, say it fast. Okay, wait.
Time. Time.
Okay, wait.
Time.
Shark. Let's go. Okay. Start.
Time.
Go, Nita.
Time. 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 Time.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next, Nita. Okay, listen and repeat. What is that word?
7 o'clock.
Very
7
good.
o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Say it again. Say it again. 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Say it fast.
7 o'clock. 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 7 o'clock.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next, Nita. What is that word?
Evening.
Very good. Okay, let's go.
Evening. 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 Evening.
Very good. Good job. Good job, Nita. Okay, now, Nita. Okay, look and say. Again, Nita. Look and say. Okay, go. Please read. What is that?
7 o'clock.
Very good. Again, say it again.
7 o'clock.
Next. What is that word? Time. Very good.
Evening.
Evening. Good job. Okay, good job, Tita. For that, teacher wants to give you
Strawberry.
strawberry. Do you like strawberry?
Yeah.
Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, let's go. Okay, one more time. One more time, Nita. I want you to read again with a timer. Okay, timer. Let's go. What is that word?
7 o'clock.
Go.
Time.
Time.
Evening.
Very good. Okay, good job. Next.
Evening.
Now, Nita, let's talk. Okay, let's talk, Nita. I want you to listen first and then you read the
I want to
sentence.
be Timmy.
Okay, listen and then read the sentence, Nita.
It's 7 o'clock.
Again.
It's 7 o'clock.
Good morning. Say it again. Good morning,
Good
Timmy.
morning, Timmy.
What?
What time it is? It's 7 o'clock.
Very good. Okay. Now, Nita, I want you to read the words. Time.
Time.
O'clock.
O'clock.
Very good. Okay, again, Nita. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next. Next, Nita, let's go. Listen.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Timmy. What time it is?
Very good. Look at the picture. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Is it 7?
It's 3 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Say it again. Nita.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock. Very good. Okay, Nita. Again, look at the picture, Nita. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Say it again. It's
It's
3 o'clock. Okay, very
It's
good.
3 o'clock.
Okay, good job. Next, Nita.
Good evening, Dad.
What time?
What time it is?
Okay, very good. What time is it? Look at the picture. What time is it, Nita?
It's 20 o'clock.
It's
It's 9 o'clock.
very good. Okay, say it again. It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
Okay, Nita, I want you to read the word. You say evening.
Evening.
Very good.
Teacher.
Okay, next, Nita. Okay, let's read. I am
very tired. I'm very tired either.
I am very tired. Okay, next.
It's time to go to bed.
Time to go to bed. Okay, Nita, what should Timmy do? What should
Sleep.
Okay, very good. Timmy should sleep. Okay, very good. Good job.
I'm very sleepy.
Okay, good job, Nita. For the teacher wants to give you look, orange. Do you like orange?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Do you like orange? No?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Okay,
No.
next, Nita.
Early. No. But I like
Okay, it's game time. Game time. Game time. Game time. Game time. Okay, Nita, let's play a game. I want you to look, listen, and repeat. Again, Nita, look, listen, and repeat. Okay, let's go. What time? Follow teacher. What time is it?
It is.
Again. What time
What time
is
is
it?
What time it is?
Very again. What time is it?
What time
Is
What time
is
it
is it? Okay. Next. It's
is 7 o'clock.
very good. It's 7 o'clock. Okay, again. Nita, what time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Very good. It's 7 o'clock. Okay, good job.
Không có 7 hiện không có 7
Okay, Nita, let's go. Okay, now, Nita, I want you to look up and say again.
Banana.
Look
Chicken.
Up
Banana.
and say.
Chicken. Banana.
Look at the first.
Banana.
Look at the first picture, Nita. What time is it? Look at the clock. What time is it?
It's 20 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock.
Very good. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, follow Timmy. Okay, like this. Let's do the action. Timmy, 9. Say it again.
It's 9 o'clock.
Very good. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, next, Nita. What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
Is it 9?
No, it's 8 o'clock.
Again, what time is it? Look at the picture.
It's 8 o'clock.
Look again. Look again. What time?
It's 7
It's
o'clock.
7 o'clock. Very good. Okay, like this. It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Last one. What time is it? What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
Very good. Okay, like this. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, very good. Good job, Nita. Okay, next. Whoop. Okay, picture talk. Nita, let's talk about Timmy's daily routine. Okay, look at the picture, Nita. What time is it? I want you to read.
7 o'clock.
Say it again. It's 7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
I get up.
I get up.
Okay, very good. Next, picture 2. What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
I go
I go to school.
school. Say it again. School.
School.
Okay, very good. Next picture,
School.
Nita.
School.
Next picture. What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock.
I do.
I do my homework.
Okay, very good. I do homework. Okay, last picture, Nita. What time is
I
it?
do papa.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
I go.
I go to bed.
Very good. I go to bed. Okay, next, Nita. Look at the picture. Nita, please read the words. Go.
Clock.
Hmm?
Time.
Time. Next.
Clock.
Say it again. O'clock. Very good.
Evening.
Evening. Okay. Next, Nita, please read the sentence.
What time it is?
Okay, say it again. What time
What time
is
is
it? Very good. Okay, next. It's
7 o'clock.
very good. It's 7 o'clock. Okay, next, Nita, let's sing together. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye.
I have microphone like that.
Goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye. Okay, Nita, we're done with our lesson. You did a very good job because
I have microphone like that either.
because you are able to say and understand the words time, o'clock, evening. Okay, Nita, for that, teacher wants to give you 3 stars for doing great. Okay, Nita, don't forget to study your lessons. Don't forget to study your lessons, okay? Okay, thank you for booking my class. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ethan.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.